Hey friends, Super Bowl's in my backyard this year. You know what that means? We got to make Super Bowl sliders. Stick around. All right, Super Bowl sliders coming up. I got about just over a pound of ground beef, 80/20. I'm gonna add about a quarter cup of Italian breadcrumbs, a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce, one packet of Lipton onion soup mix, some cracked pepper, and some salt. We'll add one egg, and we're gonna mix that up real good. Make sure everything binds together. Now I've got a 9x10 non-stick sheet, baking sheet. I'm going to put my meat in there and use my potato masher to spread it out evenly throughout the pan. While I'm doing that, if you could please like, share, subscribe, I appreciate it. I've got my oven at 350 degrees. Going to pop that in for about 20 minutes. Now, I've got one red onion, using the mandolin, get it as thin sliced as possible. I've got a packet of King's Hawaiian pretzel rolls. You can use whatever slider rolls you like. These are the ones I like. Lay down a little bit of mayo. And then I'll lay down those red onions that we sliced super thin. You can use any condiments you like. If you don't like onion, don't use onion. If you don't like pickles, don't use pickles. If you like ketchup and mustard, use ketchup and mustard. Doesn't matter. These are your sliders. Now I've got some Famous Dave's spicy hot but sweet pickles. I'm going to put one on each bun. And our meat is done. You may have to trim it a little bit. You may not to make it fit perfectly. This one I had to trim just a little bit. Set it right on top. Then we're going to put on 4 slices of American cheese, deli style. Put our tops back on. Now we're going to put this foil over this. And we're going to put this back in the oven for 10 minutes. That way we get everything melted around. And once those come out, we'll let them sit for a minute or two. Then we'll take them off the sheet, get our chef knife out, and we'll cut them up. And this is the easiest way to make a bunch of sliders for your Super Bowl party. Takes no time at all, but it's going to be a fan favorite at your party. Just cut them up into individual little burgers, and you are ready for the Super Bowl. All right. Make them the way you like them best, but it's just a shortcut. Enjoy the Super Bowl. Thanks for watching, and come back. Remember to hit that bell to be notified on the next video. All right, thank you.